few minutes before 6 o'clock. We are on our way to Kaya FM 108 with Bob Mabena.
Snapbacks, bag and move like I'm Bob Mabena, hit the flow, smart mambala like Siabangena, hit the scene, Riabaten, Kalalen, Siaba ends, Massive, I'm not.
Hi, my name is Matapelo Manaisa, the executive producer for 180 with Bob.
Swanking foreign lands, a big shout out to Brahman.
If you want to be informed and entertained at the same time, this is the place to come to.
On the streets, Asbambi.
Hi, my name is Khomoto Meso. I do the traffic on 180. So we get along quite well. Even when we fight, we're getting along. And we learn so much from each other. All of us have got experiences from different sectors. And that makes the show absolutely magnificent.
This is a funny story about our wonderful actress called Amanda Dupont, who's apparently been telling people that she's a princess, and an actual princess from Swaziland says she's lying, and they also called her a comedian.
Sunrise in CPT.
Have a great day, Sissy.
Thank you, Sylvia. Thanks for very much for this song.